Yo, yo. No, I need this. Wait, first, sit. Tell, like, what are we doing?
Yeah, we're going to gonna go ride bike the mountain. You know, go see some bitches.
We're gonna go for a bike ride. He's gonna ride this bike, this big one, and I'm gonna ride the BMX on the hill, on the hiking trail. I'm a little bit headache because I was playing on my phone while I was in the car. Because every time I do that, I got myself headache. So yeah, this BMX does not have a brake. I gotta be careful though. I don't really care. I don't even brake. Go as fast as I can. I'm gangster, dog. We die like a real man. Yes. Good? Yeah, put that. Yeah, that's my water, dude. We share. I don't trust this area. I feel like somebody's gonna smash my car. So I'm gonna put my big bag in the trunk.
I like what Kabi said. I don't care, brother. I don't care. Today is my. You see that one?
Okay.
She's only 13. I don't care. I don't care.
Hopefully my bike doesn't pop. Damn, I don't even know if I can ride my bike up there. You have a gear switch, but mine I don't. Not even brake. I got nothing. Damn. No brake. Full send. I'm tired. I'm out of shape. Later on this year, I was thinking getting a Saran electric dirt bike. That'll be fun to ride, like this type of area. So I don't have to worry about pedaling. What? I think that's just a hill. Yeah. I think the only way to go is that you have to go down that way. But let me go check it out. It's just a big cliff. Let's come check it out. You have to climb the fence now. What? Because I remember I came here before. Yeah, there's a pond right here. Yo. We're climbing up the hill. What? Hold on, let me check out this river. I've never seen this river before. All the way on top of that?
Fresh water.
Yeah, go ahead now. You drink first. So what are you doing? It's my vlog, dude. What are you doing? It's my vlog. What are you doing? He finally started vlogging now. It's not even for YouTube, it's for the shorts. Instead of going that way, we're gonna go this way. Yeah, this is Boise, guys. If you don't know where we are, we're in Boise. It's a downhill, no bike, uphill, bike uphill.
Can I get some batteries?
So this dude right here, he just ran out of his battery, so I let him borrow my battery. My battery is GoPro 11. That's what I use, and his is GoPro 9. But it does last him very long. It's dead pretty fast. I don't even know where we are right now. We just keep going. My throats are gonna get sick from biting this camera. There's a bike. There's a biker. This path, it's kept going. Damn, I wish I had one of those bikes. I think Ride BMX is not good. I didn't get the actual mountain bike. But bro, guys, let's get this channel monetized so I can start making money and doing what I love. So he's gonna ride my BMX and I'm gonna ride this big bike. Now you know. What? What? Now the sun is back out. He said he doesn't want to do this anymore, riding that BMX. Oh shit. Oh. So you guys here? I think we came to the wrong way. This is only for like coming back down, you know? Okay, so now we're gonna head back. We don't want to go any more farther. This dude almost got run over by the other biker. You good?
Good. We're not going.
Alright, you can ride this one. Okay. Yeah, I'll show you how he's done. Plus, we got no helmet too. We're full send. Oh. Whoa! Oh shit! Whoa! Whoa! Oh no! This is a bad idea. Yo, coming down the hill is so much fun. Whew. And I almost died. Oh shit. Whoa, no. Whoa. Oh shit, my leg. Dude, I almost died so many times, man. Oh. You good? Watch out for another bike.
You guys alright?
Yeah, we're good.
This trail direction of that.
You good, sir? Yo. If you ride that bike, it's way more worse. And watch out for this, because if you fall, it can stab you. So be careful. Oh shit, oh fuck. Now we're back right here. We get down here so fast, huh? That's crazy, but it's so fun. Damn. I want to do that part again. You want to go do it? That last part right here was so straight. I'm going to do it again. Okay. Tell the camera what happened.
So I was supposed to be recording, right? But it was all photo instead.
This guy doesn't know how to use GoPro yet. Now I'm gonna go do it again. Yeah, but this time I'm gonna do it for the shorts. We're almost back, but there's another hill that we need to go down, which is gonna be awesome. And I gotta be careful on that one. It's a steep hill. Like I said, we got another hill. That big one right there. The one time when I hold my phone, one arm, bro, I almost crashed. I hit the rock and I bounced. I was like, oh shit, I gotta be careful. I need to slow down. But I couldn't slow down either because it was coming down so fast. Good job, man. Good job. The guy just said good job. Of course, we are a good job. What we do is good job. And if you subscribe, you're a good job. If you turn that notification on, you're a good job. All right, you ready or what, man? Let's get going, yeah. shit, I think I broke my wrist. Oh shit, I hurt my heel. Oh fuck. Yo. Dude. Oh. Where's my bike? Oh shit. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh. Oh no. I told you this hill is like the most steepest hill. Damn. Damn, somehow this bike is not broken yet. I'm glad. I feels good, but my heel was about to be recovered from injuries a couple days ago. Now it just start hurting more. I hate that part, I hate that. Okay, now we're back. All right guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, leave a fat like, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe and turn on the notification. But yeah, I'll see you next video.